Good morning, students. Today we are going to do exercise 4.3. Find the HCF of the following by using short division method. Okay. The method is earlier we have done by listing factors. One method I have told. The second method was by prime factorization method, and the next method is short division method. For example, we have to find the HCF of the 50 and 54 by short division method. How we do is, in this what we do is, you have to divide 50 and 54 by their common prime factor. You have to find one common prime factor and think over any prime number which divides both 50 and 54. Now let us go to the prime numbers. What are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Now if we consider 2, if 2 divides 50 and 2 divides 54 also. So it will go by 2. So it will go 25 and here it came 27. Okay. Now will it go by any other number? Any prime number which divides both 25 and 27. Is there any prime number which divides both 25 and 27? Yes, can you find? No. So we will leave here. There is no prime number which divides both 25 and 27. So its HCF, what it will be? HCF will be 2. Okay. Now the next is 98 and 154. Okay. How we write it? First we write 98, 154 and we divide it by 9. Okay. Now think over a common prime number which divides both 98 and 154. Since 98 and 154 are both prime numbers, they get divided by 2. Okay. Now I am doing it mentally. You can in the rough column you can divide it and find 98 divided by 2. Okay. 2 4s are 8. 2 9s are is 8. Okay. So it goes by 49. Okay. Now 154. Find 154 by which number? It get divided by 2. 2 7s are 14. Again it comes 4. So 7s are 14. Okay. So it comes 77. Now think over a prime number which divides both 49 and 77. Okay. Now think over the prime number. Suppose 3. See the next prime number. 3 won't divide 49, neither 77. Okay. 5 won't divide 49 and 77. Then comes 7. 7 divides both 49 and 77. So we will divide 7. 7 7s are 47, 49, 7 11s are 77. Now, is there any common prime factor which divides both prime factor of 7 and 11? Or think over a prime number which divides both 7 and 11. Would you get? No. So we will leave it like this only. And see the left hand side. The left hand side, the prime numbers, what prime factors which what you got? 2 and 7. HCF will be the product of the common factors. That means 2 into 7. So the HCF becomes 14. Their HCF is 14. In this way we solve. Okay. Now the next is HCF of 3 numbers we are finding. That means 120, 110 and 90. How we do this? Okay. First we will make a column in this way and we are going to write the numbers 110, 120, 110 and 90. Okay. Now we have to find a common prime factor of 120, 110 and 90. Okay. See all these and start with the least prime numbers. Always start with the least prime numbers. I am writing the prime numbers here. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Okay. Till here, first I will start with 2. Okay. Since all are even, it will go by 2. Now 2 60s are, okay. You can find it in the rough column by dividing, or you can do it mentally also. Okay. 2 5s are, I am doing it as I am doing 2 55s are and 2 45s are. Okay. Now I have divided it and I got 60, 55 and 45. Now I want a common prime factor, that means which divides all the three, 60, 55 and 45. Now let me go to the next, since 2 can't divide this 55 and 45, so we'll go to the next prime number, prime factor, that is 3. 3 divides 60 but 3 doesn't divide 55. 3 is not a factor of 55. 3 is a factor of 60 and 45 but not a factor of 55. Then I proceed towards 5. Okay. Yes, 5 will divide because all the numbers are having 0 and 5. So definitely 5 is going to divide all the three numbers. Now 5 12s are, 5 11s are, 5 9s are. Okay. Now the numbers left over are 12, 11 and 9. Can we find a prime factor which divides 12, 11 and 9? A prime factor of 12, 11 and 9, or a prime number which divides 12, 11 and 9? I don't think so. Huh? So we will leave here only. Okay, the division we will leave. Now HCF will be equal to, so what are the left hand side prime factors which were product of the prime factors, which is equal to 2 into 5, and the answer is 10. Okay. Now one more example I am showing. For example, 144, 112 and 80 is there. First what we are going to do, this is method is called as a short division method. Okay. 144, 112 and 80. Okay. Now we find, I am writing with another pen as my pen is not working. Okay. Now 144, 112 and 80 is there. Okay. Now find a common prime factor of 144, 112 and 80. Okay. So since all are, you see the ones digit are all even. So it definitely it will go by 2. First I will start with 2 only. 2 72s are, okay. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 56s are, and 2 40s are. Okay. For example, 144 you divide it by 2 and find the answer. It is 72. 112 you divide in the rough column by 2 and you will get 56. Then if you divide 80 divided by 2, it becomes 40. Okay. Now since all are even, 72 is even, 56 is the ones digit, they all are even. So these numbers will again go by 2 only. Okay. Now if I divide 72 divided by 2, I would be getting 2 3 6 36. 56 divided by 2 if I do, I would be getting 28, and 40 divided by 2 if I do, I would be getting 20. Okay. Now I will again divide it by, since all are again even, these all are 36 is even, 28 is even, 20 is even. So I will again divide it by 2 only. If I divide, I get 18, 14 and I got 20. Okay. Now 18, 14 and 10 again will go by 2 because all are even, it again will go by 2. And what I got is 9, 7 and 5. 2 9s are is 18, 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are is 10. Now I want a prime number which divides, prime factor of 9, 7 and 5, or a prime number which divides 9, 7 and 5 completely. Is there any prime factor of these numbers? No, I don't think. So we leave the division here, and HCF will be equal to the product of the left hand side numbers that we got, that means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. Okay. So in this way we find the HCF by short division method. Okay. We write the numbers in this form, that means side by side we are going to write. We will make the columns and we divide by the common prime factors. Okay. And we divide till we get a common prime factor of all the numbers, and whatever numbers prime factors we would be getting on the left hand side, their product becomes the HCF. Okay. So I am sending some questions of exercise 4.3 as PDF. Do that in copy.